Title: The Dilemma of Judicial Appointments in Congress. In the realm of American politics, the appointment of judges by Congress is a subject steeped in intricate procedures, political maneuvering, and significant ramifications for the judiciary's role in upholding the Constitution. This narrative unfolds with a series of key events and players that contribute to a vibrant discourse surrounding the separation of powers and the politicization of the judiciary. The story begins with the constitutional provision that empowers Congress, specifically the Senate, to confirm judicial appointments made by the President. This process is often overshadowed by partisan debates and the ideological leanings of nominees, which reflect broader national divisions. The Senate Judiciary Committee plays a pivotal role in vetting candidates, conducting hearings that scrutinize the qualifications, character, and judicial philosophy of each nominee. The outcome of these sessions is heavily influenced by the partisan composition of the Senate and the political climate at the time of the appointments. A protagonist in this narrative is the chairman of the Senate Judiciary Committee, often a senior senator known for both legal acumen and political tact. In our story, the chairman, Senator Thompson, an experienced lawmaker with a deep commitment to judicial integrity, finds himself navigating the turbulent waters of confirmation politics. He firmly believes in evaluating nominees based solely on their merits, a principle he attempts to balance against the mounting pressure from party colleagues to support candidates mirroring their political ideologies. Complicating the plot, a vacancy arises in the Supreme Court, igniting a fierce debate over the nominee's potential impact on pivotal issues such as civil rights, abortion, and economic regulation. At stake is not only the balance of the court but also the potential for landmark decisions that might redefine legal precedents. The narrative deepens as Senator Thompson becomes aware of the intense lobbying efforts from interest groups and political donors, each vying to sway the confirmation outcome to their advantage. This puts him at odds with his own party leadership and forces him to reflect on the fundamental questions of judicial independence and the sanctity of the nomination process. Adding complexity to the story is the figure of Judge Amelia Carter, a distinguished jurist with a storied career advocating for civil liberties. Judge Carter's nomination becomes the epicenter of controversy, with opponents questioning her liberal record, while supporters vouch for her impartial judgment and legal expertise. The confirmation hearings become a battleground of ideologies, with Thompson striving to maintain decorum and ensure the hearings are conducted with fairness and transparency.